Hi guys, I'm Michaela and you can call me Mix. Actually, my friend and I talk about this St. Augustine of Hippo and we think that we can share them here. So, I'm going to have a short introduction about him and I will show you then a video that they sent me. St. Augustine of Hippo actually firstly ordained as a priest and later became a bishop from 396 to 430 Common Era. And he is one of the Latin father of the church, but in Roman Catholicism, he is formally recognized as a doctor of the church. And he was considered actually as one of the most influential figures in community after St. Paul. And he was known as a theologian, a writer and a skilled preacher and rhetorician, and of course, a bishop. And Saint Augustine actually believed that God is original source of all truth, absolute truth and goodness, and reflecting on Plato's theory of forms that he also believed that God was a source of all forms. And then with the core of Christian belief that all humans are created in the image of God. And now I'm going to show a video that my friend sent me earlier. Here are they.
Saint Augustine explained, Christian thinker believe that love is at the heart of everything we do. He said that the way we love things reveals a lot about our character and can lead us to both good and bad things. Number one, loving stuff physical objects. When we love physical things too much, like money, fancy clothes, or video games, it can lead to greed. We become obsessed with we having more and more, and we might even hurt others get what we want. We should love things in moderation. They can be good, but they shouldn't control our lives. Number two, loving people. It's natural to love our friends and family, but if we love them too much, it can lead to jealousy. We might get upset when someone else gets attention or when they don't. We should love people in a healthy way, respecting their choices and not letting our love become possessive. Number three, loving ourselves. It's okay to love ourselves, but if we love ourselves too much, it can lead to pride. We might think we're better than others and look down on them. We should be humble and recognize that we are all equal in God's eyes. Number four, loving God. Saint Augustine believed that the most important thing is to love God above all else. He said that this is the only way to find true happiness. Why? When we love God, we find a love that's pure, lasting, and unconditional. It's a love that fills us with joy and peace.
Saint Augustine of Hippo viewed love as the central force in human life, distinguishing between divine love or caritas, which leads to union with God and true happiness, and selfish love or cupiditas, which leads to sin and separation from God. He believed that properly ordered love or ordo amoris directs the soul towards God, shaping moral action and human will. Augustine also emphasized that divine grace is necessary to transform and purify love, guiding people towards eternal fulfillment in the city of God. Ultimately, he saw love as the foundation of both personal salvation and the structure of society.
What I learned and discover about myself is I I learned about the reality, the purpose, the importance of having a relationship with God, and I discover about myself that I've been away from Him, so I tend to be remembered to be close to Him.
Saint Augustine of Hippo can help you understand yourself at the point where you begin to reflect deeply on your desires, struggles, and purpose in life, as he emphasizes the importance of examination, and recognizing the restless nature of the human heart in the search of truth and fulfillment. His teachings, particularly in Confessions, highlight how personal introspection, acknowledgement of one's weaknesses, and the pursuit of divine wisdom can lead to a deeper awareness of one's true self. By exploring the tension between worldly temptations and the longing for spiritual peace, Augustine offers a framework for understanding human nature, personal growth, and the transformative power of faith and reason in achieving self-knowledge.
So I've received a question through the philosophy that the group interests the most from your insight and view. What did you learn and discover about yourself? I've learned that I need balance. The love and care I give to my friends, family, and loved ones. I've realized that I tend to give too much of myself to my loved ones and friends, which has led me to unintentionally neglect my family. I've become to understand that finding a balance is a crucial to maintaining healthy relationship with all the important people in my life. That's all.
Through the philosophy of Saint Augustine of Hippo that interests the group the most, I have learned and discovered that self-understanding requires deep introspection, honestly about one's flaws, and an acknowledgement of the constant tension between worldly desires and the pursuit of spiritual fulfillment. His emphasis on the restless nature of the human heart until it finds rest in a higher truth has made me more aware of my own internal struggles, desires of meanings, and the importance of seeking wisdom beyond material pursuits. Additionally, his ideas of the role of memory, time, and divine grace have led me to reflect on how my past experiences shape my present self and how personal transformation is possible through self-awareness and faith.